chart, and the first thing that I noticed was this previous order block, right? And looking at how the price reacted at this area, I thought to myself, what would everyone do at this level, right? What would every other trader out there do when price reaches this point, right? And to my surprise, I didn't usually analyze charts this way. I have I came to a conclusion that everyone would buy at this point, but I did zoom out, and this is what I found on the 1 hour, right? So if you take a look at this, we have a huge imbalance, and we have other traders who bought right here and at this low, right? So with that on my mind, I simply think that price would eventually come and feel this imbalance, right? So it will eventually take out traders who are going to buy this area, because we also have other areas with liquidity below. So with that on my mind, I did come to a conclusion to look for selling opportunities instead of buying like everyone else will do. And there's an order block here, there's an order block here, a previous order block that did push price down to this level. I'm not quite sure if price did end up going deeper, because I don't have internet connection right now, but we also see this week's, so I'll take it that price did break this previous low, right? And I'll look for sales in this area, because we also do have an imbalance here. Price left an imbalance, and this gives us more confidence that price may sell from that area, right? So for me, I'll look for opportunities this way. So this is an imbalance, right? This is an imbalance that price left, and when you take a look to the left, you can also see that price did take out other traders. So this was a stopper hunt, because everyone who took sales at this level had their stop losses right above their positions, right? So yeah, so for me, I'm thinking price will come, tap into this area, and then go down to fill this imbalance, right? So this is my analysis for this chart. So I'll come with an update and see and show you guys what really ended up happening, right? So yeah, let me just make a small arrow for the screenshot sake. So I think this is okay. Let me extend this. So this is my prediction for this chart. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video with an update. So yeah, peace out.